He thinks he can replace you. He thinks you're forgettable. He thinks someone else can take your place like you were nothing. Let him think that. Because now it's time to show him what you're really made of. You were not born to blend in. You were not born to be someone's second option. You're not someone who fades into the background. You're a force, unapologetic, unstoppable, unforgettable. So if he walked away thinking he upgraded, smile. Because you're about to upgrade yourself. You're about to rise, louder, stronger, bolder. Let rejection be your redirection. Let pain fuel your purpose. Let the doubt light a fire in you. Don't scream, don't beg, don't explain. Elevate, build, reinvent, and return. So elevated, they won't even recognize you. You see, real power is silent. Real queens don't chase, they attract. Real queens don't compete, they dominate. So this is not your breakdown, this is your breakthrough. You were never just a chapter in his story. You are the author of your own, and you're about to write the most powerful chapter yet. Don't post about it, don't tweet it, don't seek revenge, focus on results. Be so good they'll whisper your name. Be so undeniable they'll wish they never let you go. Transform that heartbreak into hunger. Turn that insult into intention. Channel your pain into power. You don't need him to validate your worth. He didn't see your value. That's his loss. Now it's time for the world to see who you really are. You don't get bitter, you get better. You don't prove your value to people. You become so valuable, they can't ignore you. Priyanka Chopra once said, don't try to squeeze into a glass slipper. Shatter the glass ceiling. And that's what you're going to do. You're not just rising, you're rebuilding. Not for him, not for anyone else, but for you. You deserve to know your power. You deserve to feel unstoppable. You deserve to walk into every room like you own it. Because you do. They thought you were fragile. Let them watch you become fierce. They thought you were replaceable. Let them watch you become irreplaceable. They thought you were average. Let them witness your excellence. You don't just rise, you rise with style, with grace, with vengeance. They wanted to see you crawl, but now they'll see you soar. Not just higher than before, but higher than they ever imagined possible. And you won't say a word, because your success will do the talking. Your glow up will scream louder than your silence. They'll look back and realize you were the prize all along. Don't chase closure. Don't seek revenge. Seek growth. Seek greatness. Focus on your grind. Fall in love with your evolution. You were not created to be forgotten. You were born to stand out. So stop mourning what's gone. Start building what's next. Replace the tears with tenacity. Replace the doubt with discipline. Replace the pain with progress. Use every no as motivation. Use every loss as fuel. Use every insult as a stepping stone. You're not for everyone, and that's your superpower. You're not meant to fit in. You're meant to break the mold. Be so busy improving yourself, he becomes a distant memory. Be so focused on your dreams, you forget who doubted you. Be so driven, your past can't even catch up. Because this is your era now. Your era of evolution, of execution, of excellence. He thought he could replace you. Let him. While he's distracted with replacements, you become irreplaceable. While he's busy looking back, you're flying forward. While he's repeating patterns, you're breaking cycles. Because you didn't lose him. He lost you. And one day, he'll realize it. But by then, you'll be unreachable, untouchable, unstoppable. You'll be walking red carpets, signing contracts, living dreams, Not just surviving, but thriving. Your glow up will be global. Your evolution will be electric. Your name will echo in rooms he'll never enter. Let him watch from the sidelines, because you're the main event now. This is your comeback, but it's also your coronation. Queen, put your crown back on, straighten your spine, wipe your tears, and walk back into the world with your head held high. You've got work to do, dreams to chase, battles to win. You've got a fire inside you, one no man can extinguish. You were not built for pity. You were built for power. Let them talk, let them gossip. You've got bigger things to focus on. Build your brand, launch your business, hit the gym, write the book, travel the world, speak your truth, learn something new, invest in your mind, heal your heart, rewrite your story. Priyanka didn't wait for a knight in shining armor. She became her own hero, and so will you. No one can play your part, because no one can be you. Your power is in your uniqueness. Your worth is not up for debate. Your place is not negotiable. Your crown is not shared. He thinks you're just another face in the crowd, another voice that'll fade with time, another moment that will pass. But he doesn't know you're a storm wrapped in skin, a wildfire masked in calm. You are the chapter he'll never be able to reread. Because once you're gone, you're gone. And now you don't look back, you don't wait, you work. He walked away like it was nothing. Good. Now it's time to show him everything you are. Don't get even, get exceptional. Don't clap back, come back. Better, bolder, braver. He thought you needed him? Watch how you thrive without him. He thought you were fragile. Watch how you rise unshaken. This is not about proving him wrong. It's about proving yourself right. You don't cry over people who fail to see your worth. You evolve. You don't break, you build. Priyanka Chopra once said, "I don't want anyone to say I made it because I was pretty. I want them to say I made it because I've worked hard." And now it's your turn to be the one who didn't give up, the one who turned pain into passion, the one who rose when everyone expected her to fall. It starts now. Wake up with a purpose. Look in the mirror and say, "I'm enough." Not because they said so, but because you know so. So what if he left? Let him go. You're not a backup plan. You're a masterpiece in motion. You don't beg to stay. You build to leave. Every rejection is a redirection. Every loss is a lesson. Every goodbye is a blessing in disguise. Don't drown in what ended. Swim toward what's coming. He didn't choose you. Choose yourself. Buy yourself flowers. Chase your own dreams. Make your own rules. And when you rise, rise loudly. Rise unapologetically. Rise like a woman who remembers her worth. Because this is the season of you. Let him scroll through your life from the sidelines. Let him hear your name in rooms he'll never enter. Let him feel the silence where your presence used to roar. You don't need closure. You need clarity. Clarity that you're not what he lost. You're what he could never handle. Some people don't deserve your magic. Some people aren't ready for your energy. And that's okay. Because you're not shrinking to fit. You're expanding to shine. One step at a time, one goal at a time, one win at a time. The best revenge is glowing up in peace, building in silence, succeeding in silence, until the noise becomes undeniable, until they whisper your name with regret, until your name becomes a headline and their name becomes irrelevant. Don't clap back, don't compete, create, don't cry for validation, claim your space. He thought you were done. You're just getting started. This is your next act, your boldest chapter, your loudest glow up. And no one, no ex, no opinion, no betrayal can stop what's coming. Because it's personal now. This isn't just about dreams. This is about dignity. This is about remembering who you are. You're a woman who fought silent battles, who bled behind smiles, who rose every time life tried to break her. So no man's exit can stop you. Because your value doesn't decrease with his absence. It multiplies. You don't need him to complete you. You're already whole. You're fire. You're thunder. You're everything he couldn't contain. So what now? Now you upgrade? Mentally, physically, financially, spiritually. Read the books, hit the gym, learn the skills, fix your crown, and walk like you own the universe. Because you do. Let him hear about you in circles he can't access. Let him wonder why you're glowing without him. Let him realize he never deserved you. Not the healed you, not the growing you, not the glowing you. He thought you were weak. Let him meet your ambition. He thought you were soft. Let him meet your drive. He thought you were done. Let him meet your empire. You owe him nothing, not a text, not an update, not an explanation. Just your absence. That's the most powerful thing you can give. Because women like you don't fold, you focus. You don't sink, you soar. And you don't chase what walks away. You build what stays. Stay loyal to your growth. Stay true to your journey. Stay hungry for greatness. Let him underestimate you. Let them all do it. Just don't let you forget who you are. Because you are becoming her. The woman you used to admire. The woman you dreamed of. The woman who doesn't beg. She builds. Who doesn't cry over lost love. She creates a life that's full of love. From within, from purpose, from power. Because self-worth is your new language. And boundaries are your new armor. Let him remember you as the one that got away. Because you're not just walking away. You're elevating, and no man's ego can reach that high. No boy's silence can shake your spirit. You're not built for heartbreak. You're built for history. You're not made for regret. You're made for legacy.